Hi, I am Tawfiq. I am a fourth year PhD student at UNC Charlotte. Also, I am a part-time graduate research assistant here, working at the Center for Precision Metrology in the Mechanical Engineering and Engineering Science department. So additive manufacturing is a manufacturing process where a 3D part is produced in a layer by layer manner. It's different than the traditional manufacturing processes where we remove the material or subtract it to get our desired form or shape. Here we do it in a layer by layer manner. By working in a lab like this, I would say the opportunities are so many. So first of all, I am learning different skills. Also, I am learning the problems that is still existent in additive manufacturing. But also I am having different opportunities in terms of resources, equipments, and getting expert guidance on how to tackle these problems. The Earlycon EOS M280 is an additive manufacturing machine, so it's a metal additive manufacturing machine where the process is laser powder bed fusion. The importance of the industry partnership for getting machines like Earlycon EOS M280, I would say it's very vital because most of these machines are very expensive. Purchasing these machines out of a research fund or grant, here many companies actually donated their machines to us, and what we are trying to do, we are using those machines for doing our researches, and we are actually upkeeping the machines. We are doing the servicing and all the other stuff. So I would say this is pretty convenient for research. I came to UNC Charlotte because it has a really strong concentration of manufacturing and metrology. So that's why I was interested in studying UNC Charlotte. But after coming here, what I experienced so far is the supporting system. Overall, the department, the faculties, and the research works that we have been doing, and our peers, it has been a phenomenal resource for me. Then we get expert guidance from the industry, direct, one-to-one.